Hey guys, welcome to another stream today. Oh man, my screen capture isn't working. Let me check if I can fix this. Hold on. I'm not sure why this isn't working. Something is wrong here. Hold on. I have to see if it's on YouTube as well. I was muted. That's pretty stupid. So let me see. Somehow my display is frozen. And that's pretty bad because in 7 minutes I have to look at the charts, but it's as always, isn't it? Yeah, so it's freezing. Frozen. Let me restart. So I hope it's working now. At least it seems like. At least it seems like it's working. Let me check this on YouTube as well. There we go. Looks good. So let's start with the weekly real quick. Monthly, we still haven't reached conquer encouragement. On the weekly we did. Reached it last week, then we retraced, now we bounced away from the conquer encouragement of this fair value gap here. And yeah, so we do the fast track right now because in 5 minutes we have the pre-opening and several news. So um, so basically we have this volume imbalance here and this volume imbalance here. This one is in construction right now, so it's not that much of importance to us, or at least to me. And we have this volume imbalance here. This has more value to it, so I do think we will reach to this today. So I think we will reach higher prices, and I hope so. So we will see where this goes. Um, so basically, I can delete the real gap because we not balanced it, but at least we delivered the sell side of it. So it should be enough if we go higher today to grab the gap of the volume imbalance here. It's like this. There we go. All right, so I do think we will reach this level here. It would be, it's just 100 points. Even if we close it, we're just around like 200 points, not even 150. Yeah, so I indeed do believe we will reach until we will reach the concurrent no the concurrent encouragement of this wick, which would be 20,122.75, and this would be around 200 points from here, and I think 300 or 400 points from the daily, which also is in alignment with our average true range of the 7 days interval, because it's around, I think, 4 to 500, and if we reach 400 we are perfectly fine within it. So hold on, give me a second. So there we are again. Um, so so it's the 1 day conquer encouragement of this wick. So there we go. That's pretty nice. Yeah, but I think you saw. No, you haven't seen it. Why am I'm today. I'm with a 300K account here. So I raised my value of my account, and yeah. So let's see. So this one is a fair value gap. We don't need this one anymore because we retraced from it. We know it was something different, I guess, but I will leave it here. So yeah, this would be my point of interest for today. 20,100 basically. Let's have a look on the 15-minute chart. We came down and traded a bit below the new week opening line of the 16th of March, and we bounced before we even reached the level of the daily high or new contract opening gap low. So right now we're in between the new contract opening gap high and the new contract opening gap low. It's 8:30 right now. We have news, I guess, and I do hope the news will deliver some price movement below the London range low, so I can use some kind of a breaker as soon as it goes through the new contract opening gap low and above it again, and I would go in long on the retest of the breaker to catch the movement above the London range high. And this would be basically my terminus, which is just around 100 points. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. We do not need the heat map yet because the markets aren't open. So yeah, let's continue on the 4-hour chart. What I do think is that we will go lower, at least to make some kind of Judas swing. And hold on, this would be this level here, isn't it? Yeah. I do think we will go lower for some kind of a Judas swing. Um, it could uh, it could touch the 4-hour conquer encouragement of this wick, and or it also could just deliver to the 50%, which is 90,087.7. No, 877. Um, so I will draw that out in time, and I want to see how price is reacting there, and if it gives me some kind of strong reaction there, I will consider going long already there. But this would have to be in the inside of the macro not 850 to 910. And if this will not appear at this certain time, I have to sit on my hands until we open the market. And yeah, basically, I'm not interested in staying longer in the stream, but 10 because it's Friday and I don't want to mess up my trading because usually before NFP, the Friday in the afternoon, or at least even before lunch, is destroying me. So I can't read that yet. So here we have the 4-hour CE of this wick. And we can delete this one here. All right, so let's see. In my opinion, we fell short without any reason. We haven't even reached the gap of the 4-hour, this one. Only if we uh, only if we implement the wick of the lower candle into the gap as well, which is not valid. So, okay, on the 1-hour, we have a pretty nice downtrend here with due to swing around 10 a.m. yesterday. It was the up move to the last week's low, I guess. Last week's high, sorry. And yeah, so we can switch to the 15-minute chart right now. We took out the Asian range low with the London range low, as well as the Asian range high with the London range high. And this one is from yesterday. What I would like to see is that we take out the London range low in either before AM, which had to be around the news, so basically now. And if it's not happening throughout the macro, 850 to 910, then I have to readjust my narrative. But I will tell you that. So basically, right now I'm waiting for price to go below this level. If price is showing me that it wants to go higher before it takes out this low, mm, I only would consider going long before it takes out this low here if we bounce away from the new week opening line of the 16th of March. So this would also be the OTE, I guess. Oh, that was wrong. Pretty stupid. There we go. Oh, hell yeah. It's basically the same level, but only 2 points difference. So that's beautiful. Yeah, so this would be enough for me if we hit the new week opening gap low and we retrace from there. If price is giving me some kind of a breaker or something similar inversion, um, I would take that and either lose my money from yesterday or close this week great, like great. Oh, the dollar is, that's going lower, way lower. Let's see, let's switch to 1 minute. There we go. We took out the relative equal lows. What is really nice, I wanted to see that before we go higher. So now I want price to reach the new gap opening, new week opening line here. And as soon as we do that, man, I want to see this as a breaker. So let's see what Forex Factory is telling us. There we go. This is what I want to see. And a pretty nice buy side. Oh yeah, this is so beautiful. So the next news we got at around 10, which is revised consumer sentiment. But it looks like I go long earlier. It looks like I will go long right now as soon as we take this breaker. Oh, that's so cool. I hope this will work. Hold on, I have to take this one trade and I want to do a limit order. It's pretty nice like this. Okay, but it should be here. My buy would be all the way up here. So that's, wow, that's 100 points. Oh, shoot. Well, we have to take that. But I would take it as soon as we touch it from the upside. Yeah, this is basically perfect. So that would be minus 1,000. I have to put this level here because what's this one here? Take profit. Oh, that's my take profit. It was pretty stupid. Would be the London range high. It's somewhere around here. Like this. So this one like this. Okay. Let's see. Probably we go even lower. Looks like that now. Mm, 10 minutes until we enter the macro. Oh, I have to take to hold close to this one. I would be so pissed if price would go again without me. It's 20,019. Take profit 20,019. Even if you look on the hour chart, it's really nice how um, how many relative equal highs we have to the upside. That's that's beautiful for some movement to the upside. But let's see. I mean, 15-minute chart is telling us right now at least that it wants to go lower. And I don't think I'm wanting to go long in a downtrend. So price has to give me some kind of reversal before I go in. What is pretty nice is that we circle around the new week opening line. And we're not really able to go below it with displacement, because this would give me the sign that this would give me the sign that price really wants to go lower and also has the power to do so. And this would mix up my whole narrative. But the movement to the upside right now looked pretty good. I just hope we don't get too much reaction at this volume imbalance. Some kind of a displacement above it would be nice, and afterwards, oh, come on. I hate this one. There we go. And afterwards, touching it from the upside and bouncing away from it with displacement as well. And then I could use my breaker. Where's my... I want the link of the now, but where is it? Is it this one? Yeah, it is. Can I share that? Let's see. This is possible. So let's see if this is working. Nice. So if we do a breaker right now, it would be even better. This would give us some kind of a better entry here. So, but where is it? Limit? Come on. There we go. So theoretically, this would be the breaker. If we go lower here, it would be pretty cool if we touch the midpoint of this and then go higher. Going higher right now would be okay as well, but I would like to see it first take this sell side here out. This would be there, and then we would have this one here, but I would do this with two. I would do this with two. That would be cool. So I do hope we will go lower below this low here before we go higher. I I would prefer to see it take out this low before we go higher, but it would be okay as well to just go higher without taking this low out. I don't need this. This is consolidating. Wouldn't have been necessary to start the stream at 8:50, but we did it, so let's see. We can have a look what the ATR is so far. It's the last time I looked at it, it's been a while. So we do it with 7 ATR, and we look on the daily chart. We do not need the time frame closing. So we're at 380. 380, yeah, something between 416 and 380. Let's say 410 and 380. Yeah, let's say 400 points. 350 to 400 would be some measurement. It would be 19,000. No, hold on. 20,200, which would be in alignment with my terminus. I will not enter if we retest this level here right now, because I would have needed a lower low to use this as a breaker, and right now I don't have it, so I will not use it. Let's see. Can I somehow... I get it. Maybe if I put it higher. Yeah, let's see. It's still a bit. So basically, we just trade sideways. And so, where do we gonna go from here, huh? Where do we wanna go from here? We go slightly higher, but oh, that was stupid. We go slightly higher, but yeah, that's not really something strong. Let's see. Let's see. We're in the 850 macro right now, so I would prefer to see price smashing down lower and then going higher. If we just go higher right now, I wouldn't really have an entry, unfortunately, and it seems like we will do that. So maybe price will go without me, but that's fine. I have to adjust my chair when I dance around like this, so don't be confused if you see me do this. I'm not even sure if I would use this breaker here. So, where's my mouse? This breaker here. This breaker here. So it's a clinch right now because on one hand, if we break to the downside, it would really confirm some kind of a flag. On the other hand, if we break a downside, we do break into a liquidity pool. So if we break to the downside and dip into the liquidity pool and then retrace with real displacement and price gives me a inversion, then I would enter, and otherwise I would not. But otherwise I would maybe consider going short. Let's see. Let's see. And my hands are hot. I would like to do a short right now. until, or rather to the liquidity pool. But I will not. Would be stupid. I would go right into the trap. And I'm pretty sure price would just smash higher and take me out. So I just wait. Nine a.m. could also give us some wild price action, but I don't think so. Due to the fact that we have news around 10, I don't think there will be happening too much at 9. Rather at 9:30. 9:30 could give us something. Also, the 10 a.m. news will give us some nice price action inside of the macro. So right now we deal below it. So this could be some kind of, and it probably will also be a kind of breaker in 5 minutes. It is. So as soon as we right now go below it and touch this one, I would definitely use this. I would use this one here. But hold on, let me also put this level here and this level. But on the 50-minute, we haven't took out the London range low yet, which is the point I want to see been taken out. So what I would prefer would be some dip into the new week, no contract opening gap low, then retracing higher, and then some kind of version. That would be my favorite price movement for today. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what price will give us. I mean, you can't deny that we're in a downtrend right now. So I will need some more um, strength to go higher. There we go. Let's connect my earpods. Can you hear me? It's a bit low volume, isn't it? Nah, anyway, let's see. I think we can work with that. That's good enough. I hope you can hear me and I'm not too quiet. Let's see if I can adjust this a bit more. Now it should be perfect. Okay. So I wait for a price to go above this level. It's my probable breaker. And I do want to see price going above this one here. But also I do think I will not go into the price. Mm, we continue our down move, which is nice. And also what I want to see, I would like to see price go below this level here, because it's also the counter encouragement of this week here. And it would be the OTE, I guess. Maybe not the, hold on, there we go. Maybe it will not be the 79 level, but it could be either the 72 or the 69 level. 70 level. It's a 705 level. It's the 705 level. So let's see. No, it's not the 705 level. We already passed the 705 level. It has to be the 79, like the OTE. But let's see if price wants to go there. I really don't think it will go that low, but let's see. Oh, I forgot something. I think this is yeah, it's the wrong opening range gap settlement. We needed Thursday to Friday. Oh, we haven't opened yet, so it's this one here. So drum roll, and were we above or below? Below. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's so cool. That's exactly what I want to see. It's exactly what I want to see. So I hope price will go first lower, then go higher. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Please give me some kind of an entry. There we go. We are above the breaker now. So I would take a long if we um, retest it from the upside. 1 minute would be enough. I don't need a 5 minute. So we need to close above it and go below and touch it. And if we do so, I would I would go short with my stop loss at 90,851, 90,085.1, and my take profit would be at 2002, 20,002. It's a buy. There we go. But I do need some displacement. Like I would not go in. As it is right now, I want to have some real sign of strength here. Otherwise, I wouldn't take that as my entry. It's not enough. And if we smash lower after it, I would re-enter again. So we're not really able to close above it. Usually that's something I don't want to see. Another entry I would take would be if we go above it and retest it from the upside. That would be another entry I would take. That would be another entry I would take. But price isn't really stealing. I don't feel that price is so strong as I need it to be. But we do have to see it now as we re-enter in this inversion here. And if we go higher with displacement, I want to take that. And it's still 980.50. This one is 20,000. I take that. So I need to see a strong reaction here through it. Why is it so big? It's way too big. I can't even adjust it. Oh, that's stupid. Let me find a way. It's 90,920 and 19,930. There we go. So I need price to close above it and use it as a bounce, kind of bounce where it tested from the upside and then bounce higher. And the next level where I want to see a strong reaction is the last day low here. And let's see if we are even able to close above this. I need displacement. I need displacement through it. Come on. Give it to me. Hmm. It's not what I want to see. Like price is not so strong as I want it to be right now. This is important. This is very important how we behave at this level here, and this will bring my decision if I would enter or if I will close the trade. Like we have to go with huge displacement through it, and price has to give me some measure of strength here. Come on, come on, give me a strong move here. Yes, yes, come on, stronger, stronger. Just rip it to the upside, stronger, stronger. I need you to be stronger, and I will put my limit order down here. It's okay if it's reaching that, I'm good with it. Come on, I take that. 1K is good. So we made $1,110 pre-opening. That's a good one. Oh, probably we need more emotions. No, I'm really happy about this one, to be honest. 1K is really good. I need that. I mean, let me show you. Here you can see it. It's like 1K. There we go. From today. Rip. But I will not leave it with this. It's not enough for me. It's not enough. But to be honest, now I'm pissed that I left it earlier, but it was the right decision. It was the absolute right decision because it was pre-market. And although um, the target was clear and where I hoped it to be, we had this measurement of buy side, and I just wanted to be sure. I do think we will use this right now, the inversion here, to go higher, and we will reach my terminus, but that's okay here. That's okay as well. By the way, this emotional state, if you take a win in that amount, it's when you know you arrived in trading, you're dead inside. No, I'm not. I'm kidding. I'm tripping. My inner me is flipping completely right now. It's not. I have to keep my eyes open for trading like this. So I will have a look what the opening will do, and um, if it isn't giving me some entry, I will close the stream. Like if I not immediately get an entry within the first half hour, I will close the stream. I'm sure this will reach my terminus. I'm very, very sure about it. But I'm also okay with my exit because I exited before 9:30 and I don't want to stay in trades at the opening because yeah, I just don't really want to mm, risk it because 9:30 can always just go in the other direction before it continues. So I will not take that risk. Hit the price, Jack. No, what was it? I don't know it anymore. My song. I forgot it. That's what I talked about. Right now we have short retracement. I do think we just go inside of this inversion here. This one. I hope it's not too small for you to see it, but I do think we will go into this divergence here. Oh, we have a volume and gap balance as well, so this is included. I do think we will touch this and then jump higher from it. And I think 9:30 will not even give us some chance to enter the trade. I think we will just rip higher. Rip higher. Let me check something. Is this working when I make this one a full screen? Like this. And I do it on that side as well. Here. Let's do it here. And if I maximize it. I shouldn't do stupid things, but concentrate more on price, but I'm interested in that. I'm green. I'm green. Yeah, it's not that cool. I thought it will be cooler. Ba, ba, ba. So, as I mentioned, still I do think we will hit this level here and then go higher. So 5 minutes before the opening. And as I said, I do think the opening will go a bit lower and then smash to the upside because we also have our opening range gap here. Oh shoot, this is in alignment with the real-time arbitrary value gap from yesterday. This is dangerous. Nice. Wicked inside of it. 5 minutes before the opening. What does that indicate to me? This indicates to me that we will go lower for the opening. Hold on, this is kind of strange. So probably we just go to the 50% level. Let's say I do think we will open higher, not at this level. I do think it will be higher. Let's say we start here, and this would be, oh, we have our new week opening gap low from the 24th of March here. So we could trade to the upside, hit this level, which would be in alignment with the CE of this one. Let me bring this to the 1 minute as well. So, and also let me bring it here because that's basically what I implement in my shorts. So, and we have this one here. Oh no. So this is here. It's a bit too high. This is here. Our opening range gap should be on the same level here, and our opening, at least how it seems right now, is here. Can you see this? This is beautiful. Beautiful chart. So we look this as a volume imbalance. No, it's an inversion. It's an inversion. There we go. That's better. This is better. So we go lower for now. We have 3 minutes left. And this is really good. This is giving me the sign we want to smash lower. And I would absolutely take that. I'm so glad that I exited. Because right now we go down, 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 down. Lower, low, low, low. Apple bottom jeans. One and a half minutes left. We will close way lower than I thought. Way lower. Da, 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 da. By the way, here I will also show you this so people cannot say I'm in paper trading. It's my trader weight account here, which is online. We have 30 seconds left. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. This is our opening. So let's see how price is behaving as soon as we reach the midpoint of it, or if we even reach the midpoint of it, or not, because I don't know, we could just smash lower. How many points did we grab here? 60 points. That's okay. That's okay. That's all right. I mean, we were just in with one lot, which is pretty low, right? So, but what the heck is going on here? That's exactly why I like to exit trades when I'm in before the opening. It's just going wild, but it makes absolutely sense because we took out the buy side and it's okay, but still, I'm confused. But also, I think this is just a juju swing to make what I wanted to see, what I mentioned at the beginning of the stream. I do think we will go lower to the new contract. Hold on, I'll bring this level up in here. I do think we will go to the new contract opening gap below, which is here, and smash. Come on. Oh man. Uh, yeah, it doesn't matter. It's like, where is it? It's 31.75. It's 31 even. Yeah, that's fine. It's here. There we go. Could be a bit about it. No, I do think we will smash below this before we go higher, but I think we will reach for higher prices throughout the AM. I wouldn't like to see that prices turning here without taking out this low. What I do like is that we left no space here for fair value gaps or inversions. We just traded lower and we closed the chance of building an inversion here because I guess this has to be a fair value gap as well to be an inversion. There we go. We go lower. We go lower. So, should we end the week with our profit, or should we try to double up? You know the deal. I know the deal. We can't stop. Rather, I can stop. So we're not even in the macro yet. Although we took out this sell side here, I'm not willing to take a long from here because it's simply not enough. It's simply not enough for me to enter a long, and it's too early. Like we haven't took out the higher time frame key level, which is the new contract opening gap low, which I would like to see been taken out before I take a long. And as long as we don't do that, I'm not interested in doing anything. And also, we kind of consolidate inside of this dealing range from the London range. And as long as we are not even able to exit this one, it should be just enough with um, what I do, what I have, whatever. On the other hand, this is pretty bullish. I have FOMO. I have FOMO. I have FOMO. FOMO kicks in. FOMO kicks in. Holy cow, I want to do a long. Oh man, this makes me nervous. I want to do a long. I mean, listen, just listen. Don't judge me, just listen. I could, if I take a long at this level here with my stop loss somewhere here. I mean, yeah, it's a risk of 1.1k, right? But now, look, my reward would be 2k. 2k. We talk about 2k here. 2k. No, it's not worth it. Is it? Ah, I want to do something. It's very difficult to stop here. It is very difficult to stop here. But I shouldn't do that. So the best decision, honestly, would be to just close the charts and leave the week in positive. I mean, let's just rethink this whole thing. It's not my pattern. Neither will it deliver my pattern at this time. Can you see the dog? His tongue is crazy long. Anyway, I forgot what I wanted to say. Hold on. Yeah, okay. Back to what I wanted to say. Neither it's my pattern, nor do we have some higher time frame key level where I would be interested in entering, except of the level at 19,830, but this is a bit too low for me. So if we reach that much of a drawdown, I don't really think price will go up again. But you never know. Yeah, so I will stick to the charts until 10:10. Until 10:10. If 10:10 isn't giving me another entry, I will close the stream and jump into the weekend. Cut my video for the short to make my profit, to write down my profit, or rather to make the short of my profit, and then I will leave. For now, I really have no idea where to enter. It could change. It could really change. But I don't know if it will. That's some huge displacement to the upside here. But still, there was no entry for me. Okay, whatever this is. That's a strong reaction from the last day low. A really strong reaction. Okay, okay, okay. I hope I have no orders left. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. I absolutely forgot the first presented fair value gap, which is this one here. So let's see. Let's make it in red and put a title to it, which is the first real-time hour fair value gap of the 28th of March. So we haven't even touched it. We touched the new week opening gap and had a nice reaction. So this is the first real-time hour fair value gap here. Oh yeah, we touched it, I guess. Or it's the lowest 87.4, 87.3.5. No, we haven't touched it yet. But basically, that's what I want to see, some kind of a strong reaction. So now the macro could just smash higher, but that's something. If I'm bullish, that's something I don't want to see. I don't want to see price um, going higher that much. We have 3 minutes left until we enter the macro. Yeah, but we have some kind of a really, really strong reaction here. So we probably just go higher. But what is this level here? I don't get this one really. Probable breaker. Okay, we can delete this one. It's that one here. Let's just assume. Let's just assume we take a trade. Oh no, here. So let's just assume we take a long. But no, we have no entry yet. No, I wouldn't take a long. At least not now. And if we would have to need this one here and the take profit. Could be somewhere here. Not so satisfying. Come, come The dog. The dog. The dog. So we enter the macro in now. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Mm, so right now, I hope we go over the last day low, take out this high, smash lower, smash below this low here, and retest it from the downside, and then I would go short. Then I would go short immediately. Immediately. Because we have 15 minutes in alignment, we have a higher time frame key level. If we take the level out, I think we don't. Yeah, we have a bit of a level to the upside. We have equal highs to the upside. That's something I don't like, but I do think we would reach lower first. Um, but let's see. Maybe we don't even get it. We wick a lot. We wick a lot um, on the 1 minute basis. If we fall short now, and if we go below the real-time offer value gap, um, I wouldn't do anything. Like right now, my narrative is that we go above the last day low and we smash lower. And if we go lower now, I would stay out. I wouldn't go in. We touched the real-time offer value gap from today. And again, we have reaction there. We have a nice measurement of a reaction there. Displacement lower, kind of a head and shoulders in 1 minute. So I do think that's it. I think we will go lower here. Probably we will go lower to take out the new gap opening, new contract opening gap low, and then to smash higher. But for me, there is no entry here. For me, that's it. For me, that's it. I took my trade. I'm fine with what I did. I'm fine with what price gave me today. And I don't think that I will do anything. I'm not. I don't feel good with taking another trade today, and I should respect this feeling. Although I do think still we will reach for the daily volume imbalance, but maybe we don't. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful chart. This is beautiful. A beautiful inversion. If we close like this and we reuse it and we use it as with a bounce on the upside, Oh man, that would be a beautiful long. But we have to close with displacement here, like at least in the same size like the candle on the left, the BC. And we do not, we just closed the fair value gap. Let's see how price is behaving on the midpoint of it. Um, which should be somewhere around here. Let's see how price is behaving here as soon as it's reaches this level. CE of this WE. WE, CE, WE. Yeah, no. No, 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 no. This is nothing I want to be involved in. It's kind of messy. We just and I don't need that. I don't need that, but from today on, we start the real trading. Time to show what I got. So some could say this is a breaker. I wouldn't consider that as a breaker, to be honest. Oh, let me put my earpods out. Because sometimes when there's too much noise in the office, I have to take the earpods to put the earpods on. In addition to this headset to noise cancel better. And yeah, but I don't like it too much, to be honest. I don't like earpods at all because of the um, electromagnetic field and so this stuff. I do believe in that, and I do think they harm. But it is what it is, isn't it? Isn't it? Tell me, tell me. Yeah, I mean, you see, I'm a bit happy. I'm a bit happy to be honest with you. Yeah, so in all honesty, we have minutes. We have minutes and two news. We have news in 2 minutes. Orange news. So that's why I decided to wait until 10:10. But if if 10 is not giving me some strong movement throughout the news, I will close at 10:10. 10:10 10:10 10:10 30 seconds left. You want to count down? 30, 29, 28, 27, I'm joking. I'm joking. There we go. This is pretty nice. The down move I wanted to see earlier. And basically, now we could go higher. And I do think I will take a long if we do so. I do think I will go long if we do so. Price is to show me some strong movement, but I do think I will take a long if we go above it. And price is showing me that it wants to go higher. But somehow we just go lower. Somehow we just go lower. So there is not that much of strength I would like to see in price. Not at all. It's way too weak for me to take something right now. But maybe price will surprise me. Maybe price will surprise me and add um or rather until 10:10 it will deliver some kind of real strong moves here. But yeah, also this wicking around with huge wicks and small bodies, it's exactly what I don't like to see. It's a mess. It's a mess. And look, we have so many things right now. We have Friday. We have Friday. We had a huge range day on Wednesday, I think. We have no clear direction. We trade inside of the London range since the beginning of London, which means right now it's about uh, 12 hours. We trade in a range for 12 hours. That's crazy. And I don't know, but that's nothing I really want to be involved in. Plus, we wick all the time inside of our first 3 time our fair value gap, which is also a sign which tells me stay the fuck outside. So maybe we just close here because the only idea right now would be to go short. And I don't want to go short because my draw is to the upside. So I do think I will close here. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. I mean, look at this wick. Look at this. Look at this wick. Look at this wick. Look at this wick. 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 These wicks here. They are. Oh my gosh. Ha! I don't want to be part of that. Yeah, as I said, so basically I will wait 5 more minutes and then I will end the stream and I will continue tape reading, but not. Hold on, maybe I hope it recorded it first when I got interrupted, but just for the sake of being sure about it, I will show you the risk disclaimer once again. So this is the English one. Please, sir and madam, read the news disclaimer. Please read it carefully, 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 carefully. Joking around, price goes down and 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 down. Down and down, down and down, down and down, down and down and down. Yeah, okay, I guess that's enough. That's enough. And also that's enough with price. With price. Oh, hey doggo. Hey doggo. Say hi to the stream. Yeah, yeah. All right, okay. That's it. I will end here. I see no reason to stick with it. Although I'm pretty sure that the 11:30 will give me again some measure of retracement, but I don't want to overtrade. It's okay. Yeah, we just go lower. We just smash low. Right now we are on a daily level here. This is the concurrent encouragement of this week. So we could imagine, or we can expect from price that we get some measure of a retracement here. Mm, this is in fact the wrong level because this isn't the last day low, but this should be some low when it's here. Hold on. There should be some low here. Oh yeah, it is the daily low of the 20th March, 8 days ago, last week basically. It's okay, it's all right. I'm not interested. I'm not interested in a reversal. I'm not interested in some kind of higher prices. I'm not interested in going short from here. I'm not interested in anything anymore today. And that's why I will close the stream and leave. Leave into the weekend. You see the beautiful weather? No, you don't see it because of the picture in the background. It's beautiful. The sun is shining. Nonetheless, I will not go out. I will cut my video the next 2 hours, make my trading journal done, and that's it. Then the day is basically already over. Um, Not really much more to it. So yeah, I will end here. I mean, 1K in profit for today should be enough. And I should take that. I should take that, and I do not want to get greedy. Um, I'm fine. I will end the stream here. Um, Give me a second. I will end the stream here because I think it's the smartest thing to do so. And I will be there Monday again. Hold on. Well, I will be there Monday again, and I will tell you the time in a few seconds. So where's my mouse again? There it is. It's Forex Factory. I want to see if there are news on Monday. Only Euro. Yeah, we have Chicago PMI. Ah, yeah, next week is. Oh, yeah, next week is NFP. I forgot it almost. I almost forgot it. Yeah, it's not on payroll next week. So this will be a dirty ride. This will be a real dirty ride. Let's see. But I will be Monday online at 9:15. And it makes no sense to be at 8:15 there. I will be there on 9. I will be there at 9:15, and I will stick to the charts at least until 9:40, 9:50, and not 9, sorry, 11:40, 11:50, maybe even 12, because I want to take the whole AM session for the Monday. But this is, yeah, like there is nothing anymore for me to enter here, honestly, because I wasn't expecting the fact that we go so low this early. So yeah, before I lose money and some stupid action, this dog, he really thinks he can do whatever he wants when I'm in the stream. It's amazing. Yeah, so that's it basically. I will not take a trade anymore. We took a trade here, which is pretty nice, around 60 points. Was a good one. Was absolutely high value for me. Breaker here, entered on the retest. Nice, really, really nice. Anyway, anyhow, I will see you on Monday. Have a nice weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye bye. Good trading.